What's up, YouTube? Pardon me. I'm just looking at the sale on meat. Look at this, grass-fed as nature intended. Now, how am I supposed to know that they fed this? This says Australia's best. How am I supposed to know they gave it grass? How would we know, people? How would we know? Anyway, so let me say what's up to all the West Indians. You know, every year Labor Day parade, every day for Labor Day weekend, they have that big Caribbean parade out in Brooklyn. You know, it's huge. It's like 1 million people there. What's on this? Fruit and vegetables. Yogurt. What is this? Get this out of here. Anyway, so this year, actually a couple of weekends ago, they did a Caribbean parade right in front of the shop. It's called the Caribean Carnival in the Rockaways. And yeah, they came right past the shop. I had a parade right out the door. I didn't do nothing but open the door. So, you know, it is what it is. I'm sure by now I got the footage up on the screen. I'm showing you guys. But yeah, I saw a lot of things. You know, I don't really go to parades. I'm not really with that. I told y'all what happened the last time I tried to go to the Puerto Rican Day parade. But I don't really go to parades. I'm not big on crowds and stuff like that. But I got a question, right? So there was this, the parade had kind of stopped, and this dude was like jumping double dutch, and I got a little confused because y'all know how I am. Y'all know how I am, and I get confused about things, and I wonder about things. But you know, I don't go to parades, so I don't know. Maybe this is normal. Y'all can help me out. But I mean, the dude was jumping double dutch. I mean, man, is that what we doing? We jumping double dutch now? Because you know, I remember when I was young. You know, it was the women that was out there jumping double dutch, and they was swinging their arms and all of that. But this year, you know, it was a dude jumping double dutch at the parade. I was a little confused. You know, I try to understand stuff. I know it's a different time, but I try to understand. But, all right, dudes, if we jumping double dutch, somebody let me know. Because, you know, I'm still not going to do it. But, you know, I like to know these things. I try to stay what's going on in my culture with my people. And I'm not West Indian, but everybody's my people. And I try to understand. I mean, just please let me know. All right, YouTube. So I'm getting ready to let you guys see the video. I guess you guys have seen enough parade footage, but it was good. All right, it was absolutely good. There were people that came out to support it. So as always, I support everybody on this channel. So show some love to the Caribbeans, the West Indians, East Indians, whoever. Everybody that watches this channel gets love from me. Unless you're about ignorance. I don't support ignorance. I don't care who you are. I do not support ignorance. If you are stupid, kick rocks with no shoes on. Everybody else, let's get to the video.
And I'm not cocky, I'm confident. So when you tell me I'm the best, it's a compliment.
This is my man Sean's 1972 Cadillac Sedan Deville. Oh, this is a big one. But it's 64,000 mile original. It still has the 8-track in it. You understand what I'm saying, people? Still has the 8-track. All right, let's take this inside so I can show you what I'm about to do to it. What's up, YouTube? This is a 1972 Cadillac Sedan Deville. It belongs to my man Sean. Hold on, let me get to the side. I need you guys to really take in how long this car is. This is a whole lot of car. I think this car actually beat that Caprice wagon. But this belongs to my man Sean. He just picked it up. This car's been sitting for 20 years. But my man Sean loves these things. He actually has a 72 coupe as well. That one is custom. I'm going to get that one in here too so you guys can see it. Anyway, he just picked this up. Let me take y'all down there. I had to grab a Gatorade because it's going to be a long trip. Whew, hold on. So, car is all original. But you see the trophies on the back? My man wins trophies with his with the coupe. So now he wants to do the same thing with his new baby, the sedan, which is why it's here. Before Grand 7, after Grand 7. Before Grand 7, after Grand 7. So, let me show you what we're doing today. Whew, finally made it to the back. Hold on, YouTube, I need a sip. Whew, man, that was a long trip. Almost needed a passport. Okay, so as you can see, the trunk is very nice in this car, actually. It just has a couple of spots. Hold on. So, we got this spot. He stuck a piece of metal in. We have these holes. We have a hole there. And we have a hole right here. And as far as I could tell, that's about it. This is beautiful. For the age of the car, if those are the only holes, that's beautiful. So that's why he's here. He wants me to patch up these couple of holes for him. So I'm going to take care of that. It's not going to be too bad. When you guys are doing this type of work, patch panels, trunks, or whatever, always make sure that you vacuum first. I've seen a lot of repairs over the years where people have just welded on top of rust, welded and trapped in. Hold on, let me show you. See how you get the crumbs in there from the rust? I've seen people trap that stuff in with repairs. You don't want to do that because that will continue to rust out whatever it's sitting on. So first thing you do is vacuum it, then you clean up all the metal around it, and then you know exactly what you're working with. Alright, YouTube, so whew, this car is big. So I'm about to climb in here. I got to grab some tools, grab the vacuum, and get started. So let's get to work.